What's good people? This your boy Sean J, representing Debonair Millionaires and Debonair Credit Care. And today I wanted to talk to y'all about the difference or a comparison of business loans and business credit. What is the difference and why would you choose one of it over the other one? Let's talk about it. Okay, so what is a business loan? Well, a business loan is what we call an installment loan. So what is an installment loan? An installment loan is basically a loan or a set amount of money that you receive that you will have to pay back over an amount of time. And that amount of time could be over a couple weeks, could be over a couple years, depending on who you're working with and the amount that you ask for, right? But the main focus on a business loan is what you're running through your business bank account, right? If you can say that you are running $5,000 through your bank account and you just started 2 months ago, you have $5,000 running through your bank account and you have a EIN number and you have all this other stuff, you can probably get that loan next day. Very true, very true. There's some loans you can get that same day. It's called a cash advance, right? They'll give you that money so you can pay it back over time, but they want their interest, right? That's really cool. You can get that real fast, right? But what is the difference between that and business credit? Business credit, okay, this is a little bit different. Let's talk about it, right? Business credit, they're looking at your business profile, right? They're looking at your business profile. They're looking at, hey, he has this account, that account, this account. Okay, he's got a lot going on. They're looking at your report. They're looking at your credit report. They're looking at your personal credit also too. But they're really focusing on your business credit report, right? A lot of people don't even know that we have a business credit report. Yes, we do, right? We have, Equifax, we have Experian, and we have Dun & Bradstreet who report on the business side, right? Your Paydex score and that Equifax and the Experian scores, right? With these scores, they are not the same as your personal, right? On your personal side, you have Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, right? No Dun & Bradstreet, right? So with that, how does that work with personal credit? With your personal credit, it works with, okay, number one, the biggest thing is utilization, right? Your credit card's utilization. That means how much money did you spend off your credit card and not pay it back yet, you know? Your utilization is high around your statement day. Like if your utilization is down around your statement date, you're good. The reporting date is good. It's good. No worries. But on the business side, utilization does not matter.
Oh shit!
Run it. Fuck a runner, run it up.
They actually want you to spend all the money that you have on that credit card. So you know why? Because you can get that interest back, right? You can get that. They want that interest. That's how they make money, from them interest, the transactions, all that stuff right there. That's how banks make money. So the difference is you on your personal side cannot utilize your cards and then have this balance on your report day. You don't want that balance on your report day or your statement day. You just want no balance. But on your business side, you can have that balance. It doesn't matter. They won't even report it most of the time. It depends on which card you get. For the most part, they don't report business credit. They don't until you fault. Or falter, or whatever you want to call it, until you don't pay, man. When you don't pay your credit card, that is when they will damage your report. Okay.
All right, let's get you started, Mr. Griffin. I'm just gonna run your credit. All right, cool. Look, he won't allow.
Okay, so the biggest thing there is that business loans, right? You get one loan at a time. You can't get it same day. These fintechs will get you some money in the same day as long as you got the revenue going through your business bank account. If you can prove that you're getting revenue, I don't really think they even care about most other things. I mean, of course, the EIN number. And I mean, they're not gonna care about the Dun & Bradstreet number. It's really your revenue. They want that bank account number, the EIN number. They want your address to be straight, and they want your you want to have a business phone number. You don't really have to have a website. They really don't care about that either, right? But on the business credit side, they care about all that, right? They want you to have your address, that Dun & Bradstreet, you better have one of them. That's the way you're going to get it in the first place. And then you got to have an EIN number. What else you got to have? You better not be working from your home. You better have a virtual address. You better have a professional phone number. Yeah, they care about all that stuff, and then they care about what you have on your profile, right? They care about all that stuff. If you don't have at least over 12 accounts, they're not gonna give you any credit cards, right? So the thing about business credit, it takes time to build. It takes time to build, and I'm talking about 2 to 6 months. It takes time. It takes real time to build, and you have to be on it. I'm just saying, there's people who say you can do it in 30 days. Maybe. I haven't yet. So, but I can tell you this. You can get 80. You can probably get 80. But banks right now, 2022, they're a little iffy on it. They're a little iffy. They're not the same as what they were talking about in 2019. You know what I'm saying? 2020 kind of did some after COVID. But let me just say this, that you can still get business credit cards though, right? And the thing about business credit cards is that, like I said, you can have one business loan at a time. But business credit cards, you can apply for multiple credit cards all in the same day. And they all could have $10,000. It depends on what they saw on your account or your report when they pulled it. So with that being said, I would say, okay, so why would you use a business loan over business credit, right? Business loan, hey man, if you got some money running through your account, but your credit is bad, you can still get a business loan. It don't matter about your credit. They don't care. I'm telling you, they don't care. They want that money. They want to be a part of your money flow. That's all that matters to them. They don't care about anything else. They want your money be flowing through your bank account so they can pull some of it out of it. You know what I'm saying? Charge you some interest on the way, right? But the other thing is that they know that they're gonna get their money back too. They know they're gonna get their money back. They're not gonna give you this loan and not expect for you to pay. Just like credit cards. I mean, the credit card's a little bit different, right? They can turn it off, turn your limit down. They can do anything they want. But a business loan, you get the money up front for the most part. You get the money up front. So you get what you want up front, and it's already paid for, and you already know your payments down the line. Business credit, you really have to manage your accounts. You really have to monitor your accounts. You have to know what's in your account when the statement and the report dates are happening. You have to know this, because if you do not know this information, you will miss out on getting more credit. That's the thing, right? The credit is something you have to watch over, right? Business loans, you don't have to watch over. It's one set and you're done, So that's the difference. If you know what you're going to do, right? If you know you're going to buy a house using a business loan, you can do it with a credit card too. But like I said, your credit got to be good. And I mean your business credit. You can get the business credit. Hopefully you have the business credit before you even think about doing that. But if you can't, you can get a business loan and do it also. You can do it also with a business loan. And all you have to do is show revenue. Show your revenue. So that's the major differences between a business loan and some business credit, right? And then I also want to say this, right? Business credit is what we call revolving credit. Revolving credit means that it happens continuously. Like it goes over a month, you can leave a balance on there. For the most part, there are some charge cards out here where you have to pay that balance by the end of the month, right? But there are some cards out here where they'll let you leave that balance on there as long as you pay the minimum balance. As long as you pay the minimum payments or whatever. But for business loans, you know your payment right off the bat. You know if you're approved, and then you will have to pay that loan. You better use the loan for what you thought for. That's what it's made for. I think that it's easier for a business loan, right? I think it's easier because it's less to manage, right? Usually people get all these business credit cards because they love the revolving factor of it and they love the utilization factor of it, right? High utilization and it revolves. So you can carry this amount. And let me just say this, right? There are some credit cards that do not have any interest for like 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, 18 months is the longest I think I've seen, where they have no interest. They just want you to rack it all up.
Fuck a runner, run it up.
Because they know, or they're waiting for you to fail. Business cards is a trap. They're trapping you, essentially. If you're not the type of person who doesn't know business very well, you're not really going to monitor your accounts that very, you're not going to that's what they're betting on, right? That's what they're betting on. But another thing with business credit is that they also will look at your personal credit. They will. They might not say something sometimes. They might say something sometimes. They might deny you just because your personal credit is bad. But really and truly, they're hoping that you'll fail with business credit, right? Business loans, hey man, you got revenue coming through. We already know you got some money. So hey, what you need this loan for? To go ahead, take it, use it, do what you need to. That's what it's made for. Right? That's all it is. So this your boy Sean J, representing Debonair Credit Care, also Debonair Millionaires. Holla at your boy if you have any business questions or any loan questions. Yes, I am an agent for David Allen Capital. So if you do need any type of loan services, also if you do need a business credit in any type of way, I have a business course that you can sign up for. And that's it. Have a nice day.